Okay, so I took my fingers and I just tried to take off all the loose stuff in this rocker panel, I think it's called, and tried to get all the dirt out, and then I just Z-zipped it, which is that oil that hardens. You know, it's not going to stop rust forever, but hopefully deter it. Tried to reach in as far as I could and squirt it up in there as far as I could. So we're going to let that harden. It's like we did with the wheel rims right here. You know how they're just, it's now dry and there's a coating on there. It's not going to last forever, but it will deter the rust for a while. And I did the same thing with this side, which also looks pretty bad. So I do have a strategy in mind. I'm going to research a little bit more, and then we'll come back to that. So the bumper, I decided to pull the bumper back off, and I'm putting a piece of foam rubber here that has a plastic back on it. Now it may hold water, I'm not sure about that, but if it does, the water part will be against the plastic bumper part, so that shouldn't hurt anything. And this plastic side will be against here. So I already coated it with some contact cement, and I coated the piece I cut with that too. I'd say it's pretty close to ready to put on. So once I get that on, then I'll be ready to put the bumper on for good. So we'll get that on, and I need to figure out where I can put screws here. I'd like to put like a strap here and a strap here to just help hold everything. And then it'll be fastened in over here, and then the same thing with this side. So we're getting close. I'll do another update after we get this back on and strapped and everything, and what I decide to do with the rocker panels. I got some ideas, so we'll move forward with that. Okay, it's coming together.